Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Let's see, Chad. Raise your hand if you took gold bars. Chris, that's your moment, bro.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Raise your hand if you took US30 sales. There we go, baby.
Can't
Guys,
even make it up.
We can't even write this shit. For the one time, Prodigy members will tell you the two G's literally go against each other. Chris calling the gold bars. I'm called the US30 sells. And it was up to the members who they traded with. If you either took a US30 sell or if you took a gold buy.
Or if you took both.
Everyone in the chat made money today with us. So again, guys, you know what? We literally can't write this stuff. If you aren't in Project G, I don't know what you guys are doing. But Chris, how are you feeling after that one, bro?
Hey man, like I said, it's I've been especially NFP. I haven't gone with the indices for NFP. Gold was cleaner for me. I told Keeks or everyone in the chat, I told them my reasoning for the gold buys for NFP, and Keeks was calling his reason for the US30 sells. So I didn't even look at US30 or NASDAQ, the guys that were with us on the call. I said I'm purely focusing on gold. And it was a case of, all right, you go with Keegan on the sells or you go with me on the buys. And like I said, we can't even script it. You would have made money either way. If you chose Team Keeks in today's session, you made money. If you chose Team Chris, you made money. So the team, everyone won. So beautiful.
There we go. So love seeing the guys win. We did both. Everyone's eat NFP on a stretcher. Congrats, everyone. You're right about the US30 drop below a certain level. You guys are awesome. Hey, glad to see that everyone's winning here, guys. Well, we've got Tang and our keys. I sent you a message on Discord. Let me know if you got it, brother. Lyndon, I will check it out for you the minute I'm done with my analysis. I'll check it out for you, broski, okay? Just remind me in case I forget. Top analysis from Papa Chris this morning, baby. Did you give them an analysis this morning?
Where was that?
For NFP.
I technically did give everyone a analysis. I think we were only 120 people on, and I said I'm technically giving you guys what I'm looking at. That was for gold.
Riga made his first day of Prodigy and made my yearly. Hey, there we go, brother. That was fire. Let's go, Chris. Sword coming from Monday by being bullish on. I bought gold and it was on my biggest fundamental win ever. That's awesome, bro. Love to see the chat. Yeah, absolutely killing it. No problem, Keys. Whenever you're ready, bro. But yeah, guys, I think it's time to get into it. I think we can. Before we get into actually, Chris, you're gonna open us up with some prayer there, brother.
Chad. I think. There's no coincidence that things are moving in the right direction for us, and I say that boldly because we do things right here. We place honor where honor should be placed, and that's on God first. And again, it's a case of if we are continuously honoring God in the right way, not to say, oh, I'm honoring God to get something back. No. That there's a difference between giving and receiving. You never giving. When God gave, He didn't give transactionally. He didn't say, I'm going to give you X if you give me Y. Okay, so therefore we're still going to pray. We won. We're still going to be humble. We're still going to pray every single day. We still need His grace every single day. Like I said last time, we can go out here with a big head, me and Keegan. Our egos can be so big, and it's like that doesn't really make us any better than what we think we are. So just my 2 cents, but we're going to pray here, and let's just be still here for a moment. Thank you, Father, for this day. Thank you for blessing us with the ability to do what we love every single day. Thank you for awesome members. Thank you for everyone that's following along on this journey. Thank you for Keegan. Thank you for your blessings, your mercies, and your favor that are new every single day. Thank you, Father, that you are already ahead in time. You are already making the crooked path straight for us. You are already making the hilly road flat for us to travel on. I pray that you will send your angels forth to form a hedge of protection around myself, around our families, around Keegan and his family. Everyone listening here, Father, I pray that you will protect them, that you will bless them, and ultimately, Father, that you will guide us now in this session, guide us in all truth. And I pray that your name will be glorified. And as we reach certain levels of success, Father, that we will just bring more glory towards your name, and that people will say that these are followers of Christ and they are blessed and highly favored, not because of what they say, because of what they do, the fruit that we deliver. We pray this not because we deserve it, but purely through your grace and your mercies alone. In Jesus' name, amen, amen, amen.
Amen. There we go, guys. That is beautiful. Lyndon, brother, I did just check in the meantime. I don't have any message from you on Discord, so I think you might have messaged the fake Keegan. But yeah, I don't have a message in the requests or anywhere unless I'm blind. But I checked y'all. So just retry again there, broski.
Okay, so you're going econ calendar.
Yeah, we're gonna go to econ calendar now. So let's jump right over here, guys. So let's talk a little bit about what actually happened over here. So funny enough, we actually got a little bit of mixed data, guys. Now, where does all of this come into play? So when we start looking at what these numbers were, we actually had a very low number here with a 114. And that's where we're seeing a lot of that momentum coming out on gold. And that's also where we're seeing gold reversing. Because the big point, and this is also for guys that weren't paying attention, this is actually what happened last month, but the number wasn't big enough and it actually still screwed us. And what happens is the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate jumped from a 4 to a 4.1 last month. We've been jumping every single month, and that unemployment rate number was overshining the NFP number. And that's where we were seeing that dollar weakness coming through in those type of instances. But now where the problem is coming in is we had it. This is even though it's didn't break the ranges, this is still above the minimum number. But it's a very low number. This is the first time we've had a number this low in 3 years. So you have to understand how low that is over there. But again, unemployment rate now after 4 months of continuous record highs, we were going up 1%, and not only going up 1% or hold, we actually jumped by 0.2% this month. So this is for me, that's a very, very big number. And again, it goes both sides, dollar weakness and dollar weakness. But the big thing is the fact that this is historically low, historically high, and this is just genuinely low. The fact we shouldn't be anywhere near here. So again, Project G, you guys should know exactly what this means here for us. But now we're going to see what does that mean for the charts. So obviously when we look at this now, guys, let's start with DXY. When we look over here, first thing that's going to happen is we can see the big move. And I always talk to you guys about this. There is a bit of a gap. So two things are going to happen. Almost market open, we are probably going to retrace very, very aggressively just to go close that gap, which we could see there on the 15 as we drop down. So we know there's obviously this level over here. Again, we spoke about this a few times, this key level 103,450. So we have finally broke it again, and we've broke it very comfortably. But what we're going to be looking for is the break, as we can see here, to hold as resistance. So that would just be the gap fill and then the move to the downside. So why now does that mean anything? It's just, again, we want to close those gaps, as I always say to people, purely because it's very easy to say this was a fundamental candle. We want the charts to price in. We want the markets to price in. So you want to see this fill again, even just do that gap. It can almost have a quick wick and turn around again and continue bearish. So this means you will get that little bit of pullback over here. But scenario 2, we are very, very close. We're more than 70% from another key level to there, where we have 102,700. So we could even get something where we hold the weekly S3. You've got a daily S2 as well. We could just have a pullback to those ranges and then continue bearish to the new daily key level. And this will be the first time I think we touch this level this year. I might be wrong. We'll look at that. But so we can get there. Purely, I literally just want to see what DXY does now. Case of on market open, do we get any type of pullback to here? Otherwise, DXY is just going down. And I wouldn't be surprised with it just going down purely because of how bad those numbers were today. So that is a very, very bearish dollar, weaker dollar on those prints. NASDAQ. Now, what does that mean for us? We obviously looked at the sells over here. Again, not long-term goals, because a long-term, you guys know, there's still the opposite answer. The reason was this was coming in was, again, trying to price in those big moves. So because those massive, massive moves, you guys should know this very, very simply. What are we going to be looking at? The pullback. So you've now got daily S1s. you want to trade into this over here. Asia highs untested, daily pivot, EQs, all of that way above us. So very, very simply, when you look at NAS, when you look at US30, you're going to get all that there. You can see again, there's that the whole CPI event almost literally pulled back. Kyle, I hope you weren't sleeping on these. I told you what to do over these with these. Wait till your first thing of momentum being halt. There's your level of support, a weekly level, daily S1. Closures are below, above being hold. You're going to now retrace the move. So now when we start looking here, again, you're now back above the psychological 40,000. Asia highs untested, daily pivot EQ all the way above us. So definitely going to be looking for the buys here today with this and start retracing this being that low move for us. Then lastly with gold, gold still very much bullish as well. But what I want to see is again, just this little bit of a pullback. So this one with gold, you can see the same thing. We've retraced the whole NFP event. There you go. There's the move. We've already worked it out and retraced it. Now you get a nice closure like this. You've now held Asia highs. Get a closure back above that daily. Is that daily R1? Yes. Now you golden to go back up and start chasing down those all-time highs. So very, very simple for me, guys. Bearish against the bearish dollar. Bullish pretty much across the board. Over to you, Chris.
Thanks, Keegs. Keegs, we're bro. Look at this. So Fed futures going from pricing in a 0.25 basis point cut to pricing in now 0.5%, 50 basis point. Chad, look at this. This is very significant. Check here. Previous week 90. This level this morning. This before NFP. This was flipped around. They are now pricing in 0.5%. So now it's not a case of even the markets contemplating whether it's a cut. A cut is now it's a definite. It's now a case of, are we cutting by 0.25% or are we cutting by 0.5%? All right. So September is on the books now. You're going to start seeing things now for November coming on deck, where November and December is going to start pricing in. So September, almost a given. You're going to see all of the headlines going to come out. Markets now already pricing in a rate cut. Markets just expecting either, a 0.25 or 0.5 basis point. Okay. Just for the guys that will say that we didn't trade it or whatever, let me just show you guys quickly here. For the guys that weren't in with us, that is when we started buying gold. That's when we started calling it. That is the line where we said we're going to get out. And that's where we exited. Beautiful. $150, $15 move on gold, 150 pips. So in and out. For me personally, I said this morning that the price action here is very choppy. It's very weird for me. It's not making a lot of sense. Going into the session now, the 4 hourly, we've broken lower. It's the end of the week. We've got a complete repricing going on. I'm still, Chad, I don't know. Keegs knows what the firecracker signal is. I'm not. Keegs, do you still? I don't know. Maybe
I haven't even looked at it, bro. Damn.
Go look at the firecracker.
The fact you're saying that, I think I know what it is.
So yeah, that's the thing. The firecracker, I don't know. But anyways,
I will go against that today, bro.
Really?
Those are historical low numbers. Again, I'm taking a guess already what it is.
Yeah.
But that's historical low numbers.
Okay.
I'm not gonna go with it on that. Maybe we're wrong, and this thing's literally gonna prove a point here.
Yeah.
But
So,
I can't go with that, bro.
So here's my thing, Chad. Here's my thing. Dollar is clapped. Nasdaq, we said this morning, we're neutral to bearish. There's that yearly pivot. It is printing lower.
I'm not going with that, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna go opposite.
Okay.
I'm gonna trade it still like we would, but I'm gonna go opposite.
Okay. I said previous daily low. I said that is your flip area. If we can trade back above that, we can go bullish. Otherwise, this is still bearish. US 30. Again, very choppy. This is your yearly pivot down here. Yearly pivot, previous weekly low, nabbed. And I want to say if we can get back above the previous daily low up here and we can get above that 200, that is bullish for me. Otherwise, this thing can still go down, Chad, believe it or not. Now you may ask, let's go to the dollar quickly. Now you may ask, Chris, why would US30 sell and the dollar sell? And why would gold go up? This data is very bad, guys. So this is actually causing fear in the market that the slowdown in the economy is actually more substantial than what we thought. So now it's a 4.3. So now there's concerns of shit. This economy is not really humming like a fine-tuned engine, and that the Fed is now actually behind the curve. Okay, that is why we're seeing here that we are now pricing in half a basis point instead of a 0.25. So now there's a little bit of panic in the markets. Okay, and that's why dollar is down, US30 and Nasdaq went down, and gold went up because gold is still a safe haven asset. Okay, gold for me, gold, I still like this area, Chad. I still like if we can hold above this level. I still think there's a possibility for us to go and take out those all-time highs today. Where's the all-time highs? There, 24.84. I still think we can go and smack that. So this is the zone for me today on gold. If we cannot hold here on gold, let's say this zone here, if we cannot hold above here, and we start breaking lower, and we start breaking back into the Asia range, then I can look for sells. Otherwise, I'm still looking for the buys. I'm still looking for the buys, Chad.
There we go, Chad. You guys know what it is. You're locked in. Hope you guys are ready for this.
Bro, but I got a fright when I looked and I was like, what are the guys pricing in now? And I checked and I was like, shit, they're pricing in half a basis point now. I was like, yo, what happened here?
All right, but we got 5 minutes left, guys, and then we're going to see what happens over here. But let's see what's happening here in the chat. Rather buy gold.
Okay. No, I'm happy. Sorry, Chad. Okay. No, I'm happy with that.
I actually want to look at something quickly.
Have you been able to place your withdrawal yet?
No, not
Still
yet.
Me as well. That thing is chalk, my bro.
No, I'll try again literally after stream. I don't think you're gonna get it now.
Chad, sorry, man. Busy.
All right. So, guys, as you can obviously know, then, what did Team Shaq do? Do you guys know?
No, I don't know. Let's see.
No clue.
If it's not all over social media, then I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, no, then it's most probably nuked.
Where's Quentin? Quentin's in his group. But yeah, guys, so just to give you insight, I mean, there's 3 minutes basically. So the T2 and the Firecracker, they actually want us to sell. All right, so they want us to sell, which is quite hard. Thing is, it's a massive news event day, so this news I feel is going to drive the market for the rest of the session. And you know what? Maybe this thing is even correct on news events, and it's going to show us something and prove something to Chris and myself. But because it's a news event, we obviously are expecting a little bit different. So Chris and myself are actually going to do the opposite to what it's telling us to do. So it's telling us to sell, but we're going to buy today. So the same approach with everything else I do with the strat,
But
we are going to use, we're just going to do the opposite. So for US30, when we hit market open now, we are going to be looking for buys.
Geeks
just so
right.
everyone understands that.
Why?
I know what you're looking at.
No. I'm thinking now, are we not maybe subjective now based off what we feel? Here's my thing. If we do this now for this news event, then we technically should do it every single day based on what we think the day is going to be. You know what I'm saying?
You think we still follow it?
I don't know. I'm just thinking, otherwise we skew the data.
And it's good. We follow it.
What do you think? Otherwise, what I'm thinking is if we the bias indicator that we use, then we should use what we think on the session or on the day. But otherwise, if we, I don't know, no, but here's the thing though, bro. That I don't know.
You should stick with your strat. No, we are.
Stick with the strat.
Ah.
We either have to take it on the chin or we. If the strat is saying we sell, so we're selling.
Yeah, we're selling. Screw that shit. Okay, guys. I thought NFP felt uncomfortable. This feels uncomfortable. This feels uncomfortable. I don't know why. Why do we do this to ourselves?
No, I'm bro. So here's my thing. I'm just asking the question because for
I get what you're saying. It is a legit question.
For me, it's like shit, Keeks. What are we doing now?
To be fair, like what Peter is saying, it's a mechanical. So if you don't take it on the chin, then it's not the same strat. Yeah. Your data will be skewed if you didn't. Yeah. Yes. All right, guys. You convinced us. You convinced us.
Chanelo.
I'm either gonna get a little uppercut here today, but
a sweet chin-chins.
Brandon, how do I come in contact with you guys? You're in contact with us.
Sweet chin-chins.
Yeah, I'm not taking this trade with you. I wouldn't recommend this one.
God,
this is where tough. I fade you just for shits and giggles.
Who said that?
Peter. He told us to follow the strat and then fade us.
Peter, here's the thing. Everything in me screams buy US30.
Oh, yeah, we
but the strat.
Markets are open, guys. The last one for this week. Round 10. Fight. Let's see what we get you, Chad.
Here we go, baby.
Let's see, guys. Do we make it to round 2 or are we getting knocked out here?
Oh, Keeks. Keeks.
Ah, bro. Why do we do this to ourselves? Yo.
Okay.
All right.
I would love if it first pushes up. You know what I'm looking at.
Yeah, Carl made 1% off the retrace. That's beautiful, brother. See, you're back in the game. You're back in the game now. Just keep doing what you're doing and it's going to come back. Let's see. Go for it now and you'll be happy with the Rocket Mamas, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. To be fair, I like the fact it's not running away.
Yeah, it's very...
like every market open, we've been smacked on the open.
Oh, that's weird. There's nothing. There's no sentiment indexes coming out. There's... okay. I don't want it to break the lower range. I would rather want it to go up, Keeks, than...
Hey, bro. We're in it to win it, yeah. We're in it to win it.
We might execute.
Yo. This thing just gets more and more uncomfortable, bro.
Yes, bro. It was a...
Alright, damn. Here we go.
Right.
Alright, guys. So we're selling, eh? We are selling. I'll let you know when we enter, but we're not in yet.
Okay.
This is going to be fun.
Yo, here we go. 10 seconds. Damn. I think, you guys need to be quick on this, eh? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, okay,
I'm in my first one. 60. Yo, look at 60 points. Might. Yo, Chad. This could be quick and easy, or it can be tough. Can be tough and tough. Rough and tough.
Why do we do this to ourselves? Why do we do it? Yo,
Yeah.
this thing could have a big move though, bro. If it does.
If it punches through that level.
Yeah, this could be a big move though.
Only,
I don't know how much I agree with it, but
that yearly pivot, daily S1.
the month. Look where the monthly S1 is, bro.
Yes, I would have loved it just to punch into my TP. I was
Monthly
up half a
S1. Yeah,
percent.
we still in a chat. Don't worry about that.
I was up 0.5%, and I'm about to go.
You're about to go.
And I was pushing up for an ad.
Yeah. We
Yeah,
are
we're
still
gonna-
in it to win it.
I think we are good kicks if we can break the previous 1 minute low.
Never say never. That's what the strat is teaching us, guys. We all saying bullish, and this thing's like, nah, boys, sell. If it breaks, bye. Yeah, I think this is definitely a case of if it breaks.
I'm still going 1-1. I'm not changing.
Never
If
say
it
never.
kicks, if I was selling from that upper range, then I would
Yeah.
have gone. But the thing is, again, we at the.
So you're gonna leave me hanging here, bro.
No, I'm happy with the 1-1. I'm good with that. I'm happy to. I'm happy to go 1-1.
Come on, Chad.
Just punch there. Punch
Just
it.
punch.
Punch it for us. Punch it. Punch
Come on,
it.
baby.
There we go.
Come on.
Punch it. Punch. Yeah, that level is sticky, my bro. It's a sticky little level. I almost want to go break even and add if it pushes up again, but also
Sure, bro.
can't get emotional here.
Come on, baby.
Kids,
Come on. Good game. GG.
We need to work on our trade management with this.
TP or stop loss, bro.
Is that a thing?
That's how I did in the start. The start was
yeah,
TP
you're
or stop
right.
loss.
Okay.
That's how I did it in the
No,
beginning.
you're right. Okay. No. Okay. Then I'm chilled. TP, their kicks gave it to us. That's the trade management. TP or stop loss. That is pretty simple. TP or stop loss.
Yo, I'm not liking this, bro.
It's holding. What level is that? The weekly
let me-
pivot level. What is?
Just go back. Hold on. I can't
There's
see
like
there.
a grey line there.
Previous
The previous
weekly
weekly low. Okay, that's why.
To be fair, again, if it breaks, bro,
If
on
it
the
breaks
on
that,
the
it's
15, that looks beautiful, bro, for a break.
Listen, if it breaks that previous weekly low and it cannot hold it now, then it's gone. But if it holds it now, this thing is going to push up 100%.
Yeah.
Then
100%.
then that little bump down below was the liquidity sweep. But if it breaks it now, this thing can. Don't go chasing waterfalls. It can waterfall, literally.
Come on.
I just want 1%, then I'm good. Then this week was absolutely incredible.
Come on, Chad. This thing's just playing with us,
my bro. What is going
Come
on
on,
there?
baby.
Just punch
Just
that
go.
level.
Just
punch
go.
It. Punch it now. Punch it for the Chad. Not even for us, for the Chad.
Hey. This thing's playing, bro. It's playing. Hold on, here's a question. What's DXY doing? Just check what it's doing.
It's just holding. DXY is holding weekly S3.
Come on, baby. Bring it home. It's just laughing at you. This thing's teasing us. Bro, you know what the fact I hate is I have a level of support there right before TP.
There we go. Oh,
Come on. Come on, that was...
Bro, that was
where's
on
the
my
teleportation
TP. Bro, that was on my
candles?
TP. Are we going break even? Are we going break even?
I'll go break even, bro. I'll go break even.
Surely. Chad, surely. Break even.
We break even, Chad. GG, Chad. GG, baby. GG, guys.
Right, you see that? If this thing reverses now and takes me out of the Chad, listen here. I'm not even messing with you guys. Let me show you guys this. If I get this is a scam, bro. Chad, here's the thing. If I don't hit TP here, this is a scam. Check here. You can't. Okay, wait. Let me just show the guys here. Check there. Check there. That thing
There
literally.
you go. Oh.
Are you still in?
I'm still in, bro.
Bro,
I'm
also still.
break even.
I'm
but
break
still in.
even, but check here. That thing was literally like on my TP. Nah, bro, this is a scammer, dude. This is 100% scamble.
Nah, bro. We just need this 15 to close. Come on. Come on.
Punch it.
Just teleport.
punch through
Teleport. It's
Do
Friday.
we lock it in, bro?
No. I want TP, bro. I want this fair and square.
Okay, but this thing was 60.1.
We're taking Lukulo. It is now TP or break even.
I can't believe it. Bro, I can't believe it.
I'm still in, bro. I'm still in.
No. But I mean, that is the craziest thing I've seen in my life, bro.
Okay, they are break even.
even.
Oh, my word.
Bro, I've never. So, Chad, that is the cuck with FTMO. They'll slip.
Oh, my word.
They'll slip your stop loss. They'll slip your entry. But you better believe that is messed up shit right there, my bro.
Bro.
That is messed up. I've never seen something that messed up in my life.
Oh, my word, bro. Look at that. Just guys, hold on. Can we just look at that?
Pipette. Anyways, yeah.
And
Chad,
that's actually just 16.
that
Hold
is
on.
so messed up.
There, guys, as you can see, because there is literally 60.
That is.
Even a 601, guys. That is 601.
That is the most messed up thing I've seen in my life.
Look at that. That was TP.
Anyways. Yeah, I hope you guys locked it in. Because.
Bro.
I hope you guys locked something in. I didn't lock shit there. That thing was literally 1% up.
Oh, bro. That is.
Bro, that is the most brutal thing I've seen in my life.
That was rough, bro. That was. You know what? I'm happy we were break even. Because I think if we weren't break even for that, I think that would have sucked.
Bro, that is so cocked. That is like that. I'm not gonna say it takes away from the NFP win, but hey man, that one, no man. Okay, Chad, listen, yeah, I'm making a vow now. And I don't care. Like this has happened to me. I could have been up almost 9% this week. Fuck that. And you guys, sorry. And now you get, guys, listen here. Going forward, if that thing comes, even if while it's moving and it's like going towards my TP, I'm closing it manually. I'm not leaving anything to chance. There's no more leaving anything on the table here. Nah, bro. Here's my thing. Here's my thing, though. Like this week for me could have been a phenomenal week, like a massive week, and it's not a phenomenal week. It's
Don't be hard on yourself, bro.
My stop loss was your TP. Oh, flip, Peter. Shit. Oh, was Peter fading us? Chris leaving his bottom wick on the table. Chad, I think it was a good week. Was a tough week. It was a very, very tough and choppy week.
Yo. Bro, that was like TP.
No, it was TP. It's question is, do we take it again now? Something I have to say though, Keeks,
Yeah.
we need to look at is we are obviously trading the manipulation move.
Yeah.
So we're trading the manipulation move. Yesterday we were buying, we caught our TP, then it sold off.
Yeah.
Today we were selling. Do you think we've got the opposite end happening where it's going to buy again? Because remember, we're trading the manipulation.
So that's what I was actually looking for, yeah, is when you look at NAS at the moment is going bullish. US30 is still doing this. But the thing is, obviously bias, we are bullish.
Yeah.
The news event now is weak dollar. Again, all of this can happen. You know the range. You know what we're talking about. That is still very, very untested. So
That's what I'm saying.
there definitely is a chance this thing, guys, and I know this is literally going to be, Peter's going to love the sound of this. But I literally, if you were to buy that now, if that thing holds the weekly previous low, weekly S1, like you can literally aim all the way for the EQ. Like that's literally what I'd say could be a potential trade here.
I think, Keeks, I am.
If I can see a little bit more of maybe back above that 40,000, I'd be a bit more happier to buy. Now he's still a bit like a
50-50 BB.
I mean, you could, but I think it's just, for me, I think the more confirmation, it would have to be like an aggressive buy now.
But aren't we aggressive guys? I thought we are too aggressive gents here. We do things aggressively.
Is that what we do, bro?
I want to buy it, yeah, bro. That's the thing.
Go for it, bro.
I'm just waiting for this 5.
Yo, because that would be a massive move, bro. You're under the 40,000. 40,000.
No, you can.
The EQ is.
We were too slow there. There we already. There's already almost 35 points. Let's see. Okay, Chad. What I'm doing is I'm gonna wait for a bottom wick. Believe it. Believe me. I'm waiting for a bottom wick. Okay. And then I'm gonna take. Okay, Chad. I'm taking one. I'm taking one on the chin. Yeah.
You going for it, bro?
I'm waiting for it. I'm gonna take one. I might add to it. And then that's me done for the week. Then.
Do you want to put it on your screen? If you
Let me just see where I took it. Chad, give me 1 second. Yeah. I took it there, Chad. It's there's two things we're looking at here. There's two things we're looking at: the daily S1 holding, the yearly pivot holding as well. There's that 5-minute hold. I'm actually going all the way up here. I just want to show you guys. I'm going back there. That weekly S1 again. That's where I'm aiming for. If we can get that, I think that is a solid trade. Then we still have a 1 to 2.5. I'm going 60 points. I might want to add a little bit here. If we pull back, I might add a little bit there, and we'll see. This that's just me setting my TP, Chad. So if we can start getting away from this level, yeah, I'll be very happy.
Oh, bro, I'd even say again, like that's my whole thing. Like, because where your target would be that weekly S1 is Asia lows. I think it's a good TP because you can reject off of it.
Oh no, but yeah, oh no, Chad, I'm not even adding. I'm not even adding the way that it moved down. Yeah, I'm not adding here. Feel free to add. It just came down way too out. Boom. Wait. Out. Yeah, out of it. Okay.
That was quick, bro.
That was ugly. So my stop was actually there. Yeah. All right, that's me. What a cuck trading session.
Bro, no, don't tell me it's going to do it now. Don't tell me it's going to do it.
No, I'm done.
No, I'm saying is this thing going to go take that TP now, our original TP?
Fuck, man, this is Here's the thing, though. No, but it would have stopped us, eh? You see that?
Yeah, I know it would have
That
taken us
that
out.
original position would have got
Yeah.
stopped. Yeah, Chad, that is chalked. That is me. That is me for the session. Closing this week down 2.6%. 2.6%. Let me just show you guys quickly. That is me for the week. There, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just bring it down a little bit. There's my week. Minus 2.6 from being up. From being up on the... Yeah, chat, it was a cuck week for me. There you can see this loss now. That break even there. Here's the thing though, bro. I would have been done. Yeah, Chad, that's trading. You're seeing it live right here in front of your eyes. TP being missed there. TP literally being missed there. I still like the buy ideas. 60 yard. Still like the buy ideas. Then going for the buy instead. Getting clapped there. That is margins. That is trading for you. How something good can turn into shit like this. From being... So the opportunity cost of that trade not hitting TP is actually 2%. And then the other day when you guys were on stream, when I didn't close out for a trade that was up 1.5, taking a loss, actually closing the day down 1.5, and then the day I was going for a 4% target, closing out at 0.75, and then it ran. That is showing you... That is, I need to reflect on this week. It is actually some very good lessons to take away from it. Some very, very good lessons to take away from it. And we will actually reflect on it. I will reflect on it. I think, but Keeks, thinking back now, and this is maybe my last point on it.
Yeah.
That day that I wanted to close, where it also sniffed my TP.
Yeah.
I would have hit stops, okay? So leave that minus 1.5, that's fine.
Yeah.
Then the other day when I wanted to go for 4%, even if I just moved my stops to break even, would have caught 4%, that's 2.5 up. No, 2.4 up, 2.5 up, and then today's one closed out, so that's 3.5 up. And now I'm 2.6 down. All right, that is beautiful.
You've left quite a bit on the table.
Did you enter it?
I was looking now, bro, just like where it is.
I like that.
I think it's a good move, bro. Like I don't see anything wrong with it.
No, I liked it, but here's the thing. Check it that 5. I like it because it's a yearly pivot level, daily S1, previous weekly low. And there's the move. It literally, check it at 5. There's the liquidity sweep on that 5, and technically could run now to that level we wanted to go. There it goes. Anyways, that is trading, Chad. That is trading.
Sure. That is unlucky, bro.
Anyways.
That's unlucky.
Anyways.
But literally, I mean, because now it's back at that psychological level. It's back at 40,000.
No, I'm done, bro. I'm done.
No, I'm not saying enter it, but
No, I think in all honesty, walking away down 2.6 on a choppy week is not bad. Considering, I'm not happy with my trading this week, if I'm honest. I'm happy with my execution of the trades. I'm not happy with the management of my trades. I think, but again,
I get what you're saying.
I'm not happy with that. I think I wasn't very resolute in what I wanted to do with the position. The one day when it was very close. So So I'm honestly vouching now for that. Like I will do that. If it's very close to my TP, I'll close it manually. I'm not gonna chance it. I've seen it now twice. So I'm honest with that. I'm literally, Chad, you will see me. I'll talk about it. I'm gonna actually write it. Keegs knows me. I'm gonna print something. It's gonna be in front of me. That's the one thing. The second thing is follow the plan. Follow the plan, the strat, like you guys said, called for that little cell. That's fine. You follow it. And in and out and you're done. But yeah, that is...
Yeah, that's it. I think, guys, I don't think we need to really try force it. No, I'm not going to try force anything, guys. I'm not. It's
No,
Friday.
call it.
My thing is, guys, it's Friday. You know what? We can happily call it a bit earlier. NFP was killed. You had our moments, yeah. But I'm not going to keep trying to go back and ruin a good day. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it. So you ready to go full screen, bro?
Carry on. Yeah, Chad, listen, yeah, I think, like we said always, that we'll always be transparent. We always going to keep it 100% real. The news trading went very well. We called it very nicely. The analysis this week has been very good as well. Gold has been elusive. Gold, we couldn't really... You call it, you don't get in. You get in. US 30, I'm very happy with how things are going. We've got a lot of data. I think we also learn a lot of lessons this week. And I think we've got a lot of things to go and reflect on. And come back next week and put on honestly a very good performance for the rest of the month.
Yeah.
New month. It's new opportunities. Let's
Jax,
really...
we did the R&D trades.
Is Jake's asking about the R&D?
Yeah.
It was a winner, or Jake's, if you did not miss that.
I think it just
milli
depends who you were
pipette,
trading
yeah.
with, if that was a TP or not.
I think they call it a millipipette. Is that what they call it? You can't even make it up.
Yeah.
Go rewatch the stream. But Chad, that is... Yeah, thank you for everyone. Thank you for everyone joining, Keeks. Thank you for also keeping the fort here with the boys. And
always, bro. Love being here. Love our community. We're building something special. And it's only up and onwards from here. So, yeah, I think, guys, to end it off again, it's weekend. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Enjoy it. Rest up. Take a break from the charts. Project G, your guys' first few videos of education is dropping tonight. So you guys, if you want to, maybe on Sunday night, Sunday afternoon, you guys can start going over some education, start prepping yourself for the coming week. But as always, guys, stay safe, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
A ghost inside my head.